this is Emma with OrderMaxx, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Event Listing token. This token creates a list of past and upcoming events to display on your website. Our token pulls data from the Events module, allowing you to add an image and description to your event. Let's go take a look at our page details to see how this was set up. We can find these under our modules, in the Basic System, and Page Manager. We're going to head into our Events page. Let's scroll down to the Content field, and you'll see that this is our token. By dropping this into the page, the token automatically uses information stored on your site to build a framework and create a neat page layout. Adding this to the page is very simple. All it takes is to click on this menu to the left and select Event List View from this list of tokens active on your site. Clicking on the token will automatically drop it into the page. The token system is great because it allows for instant updates across the board. Any changes made to the module are instantly reflected on any page using the token. There's no coding required. Our tokens save time by allowing you to manage all your site information in one place. That about wraps up this video. Thank you for watching, and remember that if you'd like to learn more about this and our many other products, you can visit us online at OrderMaxx.com. Thank you for watching.